Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Treblab True Wireless Earbuds X5. These earbuds are looking really awesome. I've read the information about them and see the reviews and everything looks really good, but I just wanted to test it on my own. The thing which is really good here with these earbuds, the really outstanding thing is the playtime of around 6 hours, which is even longer than with the original Apple AirPods. So that's a really interesting thing. And of course the Treblab X5, they are much cheaper than the original ones from Apple, so that makes it really interesting for everybody who doesn't want to pay full price for a premium brand. So here we have some of the descriptions, hope you can see that. The earbuds come also with a charging case, which you can use to charge, I think 4 times. So that's interesting, and it comes with 3 foam tip sizes in silicone and with a cable and 1-year warranty, and they come with high-end Beryllium drivers and should provide secure fit and advanced noise cancellation or isolation, wireless microphone, and calls. 12 hours of playtime, 6 hours and another 6 hours with the included charging case. I was thinking it's longer, so I will look into that later on. Sweat proof, and also like a little bit of rain proof. Of course you can't use them for swimming. Swimming doesn't make any sense for any kind of earbuds, of course. I mean, I have heard from people they use such things for swimming, but usually it doesn't work anyway because the reception is not good enough. So by the way, reception, when it comes to reception, these earbuds, as far as I know, are using Bluetooth 4.2, not the latest 5.0, but I have checked all the technical information and it looks like there is absolutely no disadvantages. So also the reach or range, it's absolutely the same with Bluetooth 5.0, so it's not much difference and nothing you should have to worry about. Here we get some information. I will look into that and let you know if there is something about that. So just basic information, and here maybe some contact information, and let's see what we get. So when we open the case, looks really super premium, well organized. So I mean, as you only see the box and everything, I mean that would definitely fit for a nice gift. It's always good to have nice packaging if you want to give somebody a nice gift for birthday or Christmas or whatsoever. So to open the nice little travel case, you have to push on this side. I don't know why. There must be something inside. I don't see any moving parts, but without pushing it's almost impossible to open. Now I managed to do that, but before it was a little bit difficult. So it looks like you have to push here at this location a little bit inside. So what we see already, some LEDs, looks like it is charging, but I can't tell you everything because I just have to read the manual first. But when you give a little push here, you can easily open that and take out the earbuds. Looks really well organized inside really super small. Other cases are much bigger. Here they really didn't waste any space at all. You can put it, take it into your pocket easily. I really like that, and this is how they look. Here we see the charging points also inside the case. For me at the moment doesn't look like very magnetic, but probably there will be some confirmation outside from the LEDs when it's properly charging. I will find out that. So but from the first just look and feel, it looks really good. It looks really upscale. When you hold them, you can feel that they are good quality and not cheap, like a cheap toy. So we also get some cords, like here on the side. So I opened already the thing here in the left side. As already told you, it is really super well organized inside here, and we have this small cable that's also micro USB, which is still pretty much standard. So in the meantime, I've found even more stuff in this small box. It's so amazing, such a small box, but there is so much content inside. And here we have actually two spare sizes of, or three different sizes in total of the foam earpieces, and three different sizes of the silicone earpieces. And of course, one size of the silicone earpiece is already mounted, so we have 3 and 3 in total. So 6 different options for earpieces and 3 different sizes of ear fins. So it should be possible to match a size suitable for size for everybody. So I've been working a little bit on charging, and it has finished charging already. So I'm going to show you a little bit how this works. So you can just connect it with the micro USB plug or cable, and it will automatically charge the case, so you don't have to do anything. But if you want to charge the earpieces, then you have to push this button. So that's not only an LED, it's as well a button. So just push here and it will start to charge the left and the right earpiece. So the left LED is for the left earpiece, the right LED is for the right earpiece. And you see there's also a blue light on the right side, and that means that it's fully charged. By the way, there is also some indication how much charge there is in the earpieces. When you click on that, and you can start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times means 100% charge. One time blinking would be 25%, 2 times 50%, 3 times 75%, 4 times 100% charged, and everything is turned off automatically. That means everything is charged, not only the earbuds but also the case. So it's time to remove the cable, and I can try now to connect this to my phone. The thing is, as far as I know, the earpieces do not turn on when we open the case, but they turn off when we close the case and start charging them. There's a lot of function with that. It's really interesting. And the good thing is the earpieces can be used separately. You don't have to connect both of them same time to your mobile phone, you can either use the left one or the right one or both of them together. The right one is actually the master. When you're using both at the same time with your mobile phone, then the right one is the master, and you should make sure that you wear your mobile phone on the right side. At least it's better. Of course, you should have reception also on the left side. No problem with that. But the right is the master. The right is the one which is connected to your mobile phone, and the left one will be connected to the right one. If you want to be online 24 hours and listen to music as well, you know there's a limitation of 6 hours, you will have to charge them alternately, and you can do that and use just the other one to listen to music and answer phone calls. Then of course, if you're using the right one, you have to connect the right one as normal and with a long press till you see blue and red flashing, just holding for a couple of seconds. Then you will hear the voice that the power is on, but keep holding until you will see red and blue flashlight, and then you can connect it to your phone if you don't have it already. With the left one, it's a little bit different. If you want to use that single one, you keep pushing the power, that's this one, this button, until it says power on, but then you have to switch to this button here and wait till it says that it's connecting. So that's the only difference. And of course, the buttons have different functions on the left and on the right earpiece. So if you are using single ones, you don't have all the functions available on the earpieces, but you can use the functions on your mobile phone. So that's the good thing. And of course, it has also a microphone on both of the earpieces. That's the really good thing. So here I think now we can see that. So we have an L for left, an R for right, and we can see the both microphone openings to both of the earpieces. That's important. And the ear tips inside, they do not have left and right, but the fins always have a left and a right. You have to make sure that you're wearing the right one. You can easily change them, you can take them off. Just make sure that inside should be the ear fin, and then outside comes the ear tip. So I switched out the ear fin and the ear tip 2 times, and it worked pretty well, so was definitely no problem at all. So as you can see, just pull this off and then put it back. Putting it back is a little bit more difficult. You have to make sure that it is not twisted at all. Sometimes happens a little bit and then you have to adjust, but as you can see, it's actually super easy. If it's too far, I hope you can see that, if it's too far behind, just pull it back, and usually it's no problem. So I have twisted this a little bit, I have to adjust that, but you can do that. I mean, you can switch them out within a minute or something like that. So I'm now trying to connect, listen to music, and then give you a sample of the microphone test. So I'm still doing the pairing now, that you can see how easy this is. So here we have the right one, and what's really important when it comes to power on and pairing, you have to hold this earpiece close to your ear so you know what's going on, because there's no display. The only way of communication is to hear what the voice is telling you. So for a lot of functions there's a voice prompt, but not for everything. But for power and connection there is one. So I'm trying to do this without that. So I start pressing on the power button here. Yeah, so yeah, it looks like it was long enough that there was this blue, or there is this blue and red light now flashing. That's the good thing. So maybe you can just press here and then see it. I had my finger on top of everything, which is not good. Now you can see it is in the list of available devices, and I click on that and we try to pair that. So now it is connected. So it didn't work for the very first time for some reason. I don't know, maybe device too close shouldn't happen, but on the second attempt now it asks me if I want to pair and allow access to contacts and call history. So I click on pair and it also shows me the battery level, which is good. There is no other option to get the battery level in except from the Bluetooth menu or in the charging cradle. So now we have to pair the left device not to the phone but to the right earpiece. So we just turn it on. So pushing down the button for 1 second should do the job. So let's see. Yeah, so it's already flashing blue and it should now connect to the right earpiece within about 7 seconds. So after doing all these tests, I can definitely confirm that it's an absolutely solid device. It's not the smallest device, it is, but still very lightweight. It is not the easiest to handle regarding setup and connection, but usually you just have to do it once and then you're good to go for almost a lifetime. That's the good thing. So yeah, it is really powerful. I mean, regarding the sound, it is very powerful. I have been listening to some deep bass samples, and if you are wearing this and have the impression that the sound is not good, so there are two possibilities. So either your sound is not good, or I mean, you made the wrong choice regarding sound, or this device does not really fit into your ear. That's really essential that this earpiece has an absolutely perfect fit. I mean, you get all these additional ear fins and also the ear, like the parts inside. So it should be possible to make a perfect fit, and if you have a perfect fit, then you should definitely be able to get perfect sound. And also the microphone is really good. I've been testing and you can listen to that now. Sound test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sound test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's not absolutely perfect, but it's one of the best which I've ever seen in such a small device. So yeah, it is a really good thing, especially if you want to have a lot of power from the sound and power from the battery. So I mean, it lasts 6 hours. I've never seen such an in-ear device which is so powerful, which gets 6 hours of music and talking. That's even more than the Apple AirPod. So if you want something like this is definitely the thing for you, and the price is really good. It's just a fraction of the price of the Apple AirPod. So I will put down the link to the listing for these really nice earbuds into the description, so you can check it out, find more information about them, and also see pictures how it looks when you're wearing them, and yeah, you can order them right from there. Yeah, so that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.